Hey folks, Miguel here with DevilDog.Games. Just wanted to come and share a little bit of an update on some 3D models that I've been working on for printing. Now, I have been printing this wheel you see here in red. This is a VOLK, I think it's called, wheel, and I downloaded this from Thingiverse. And if you search for it on Thingiverse, it's something like Volk underscore BE37 or VE37 or something like that. You can find it. The the picture shows the back of the wheel only, and so you have to kind of download it to see what it is. And I don't know if that's because they were trying to avoid copyright or whatever. I don't know why, but if you're looking for it on Thingiverse.com, that's what you're looking for. But as you can see, I've taken the wheel and I've edited it pretty heavily. I made two variants. I made one that's kind of a deep dish with a neutral offset, and then I made one with a negative offset where the spokes are towards the outer edge of the wheel. Um, these are also 15 millimeters deep and 21 millimeters in diameter. So you can adjust them accordingly. My suggestion is to just print them at the whatever the scaled width is, and then you can sand them down to the desired width. So technically, if you wanted something that didn't have a negative offset like this wheel here, you could print this one and then just sand the front lip edge down until you got it the width that you wanted with the front or with the offset that you want. So that should be useful. Now these wheels were designed after the Tamiya GT wheels that came in the kit I'm working on right now. So they've got the standard Tamiya female mate or mount here, where the little poly cap goes inside and lets them roll. So you'll have to work out some kind of a post if you need a male mount for the wheels. But I'm gonna put a link to these STL files. I'll link to the Thingiverse file for this, or the page, and then I'll link to a download on my own website for these two variants of the wheel that I've edited. As you can see, the Thingiverse one has hollow lug nuts and the center cap. I went ahead and modeled some um, lug nuts and the center cap so that they're not hollow. That way you don't have to try to work something out there, and it also works out because the post, this mount on the back is like right where the lug nuts are supposed to be. So I wanted to be able to use these on a Tamiya kit, so that's why they were designed this way. um, if you need anything edited, or if you need something about these edited specifically, feel free to send me an email. My email address is in my about page here on YouTube, so feel free to send me an email. I'd be more than happy to help out if I can. Hope everyone's having a good day and have a good rest of the weekend, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.